All right, we're going to try this again. It's COMP2007, week 3, lesson 3, part 3. And I did it. I already recorded this, but I'm recording it one more time because I had a failure. Like I said, it's almost time for a new laptop. But anyways, I've only had this thing for 3 years. Let's go to the next thing. So we want to deploy from GitHub. So I'll do a real quick and dirty deployment from GitHub. How do we do this thing? So I go into first of all, there's a couple of things. We need a GitHub repository, so we'll do that first. So I'm just going to update this one. I'm going to go into a new repository. We'll call this web form, or I'll call this thing here, just because the girls like this. This thing here, two, right? This thing here too. Okay, here's my repository. I've got my link. I've got to create my new project now, so I'm going to close this one down, and I'm going to go File, New Project. I'm going to select my default ASP.NET project, so I'll do it again. I'll call this thing here too, just to match it up. Press OK. I've already added source control. I've just got to go here, Home, to Changes, and I'll say created base project. There we go. I'll commit that change. I'm going to go home, unsync commits, and I'll drag and drop that or copy and paste that. That's not the right one. That would be bad if I did that one. It's this one, right? There we go. And then publish. I published it. Good. I want to go now on Azure and do it the other way around. Go plus. Right here, I'm going to go quick create, and we'll call this, just to see if it works, just to spite you, this thing here too. Yay! Okay, cool. I'm doing this app service plan, which is the east. I'm not going to do pay as you go. Oh man, I have no choice but to do pay as you go. That's okay. I'm going to kill it in a second. And use create web app. When I do that, what this does, of course, is it creates a container. Right, this thing here too creates a container, and what I want to do is go in here, go to my dashboard, and when I skip down, go into integrate source control, click this. Now there's different options. This is really neat. Local Git repository means it's going to watch my local repository on my machine. GitHub, Visual Studio Online, again, is another form of source control you can use. There's not just Git. Azure supplies this other thing, Visual Studio Online. You can also choose Dropbox, Bitbucket, Codeplex, and others. And I think they even have custom options. But I want to choose GitHub. Press Next. It's going to authorize me because it knows who I am. If not, it's going to ask you for your authorization. And then from there, I'm going to choose this thing here too. There it is. And then click this. And when I've done that, I'm just going to move this down. It is connecting with Git, and what Azure does is it creates a watch, the ability for it to watch GitHub. So any changes that happen on GitHub get automatically deployed on the web, right? Which is a really cool functionality. And there we go. So there's active deployment. If I go back out from my from here and I click my link, then here we go. This thing here too, Azure websites, and I'm up and running. Right, so that was a little movie I couldn't do because my movie stuff crapped out. So I'm going to stop recording now. Hopefully it won't crap out again.